In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications in Outlook. This helpful guide will walk you through each step so you can manage your email alerts effectively. Whether you're working in a busy office or just trying to stay on top of your personal communications, effective email notifications are a crucial tool. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Outlook open on your desktop. Once you're all set up, the process begins with navigating to the File menu. This is your starting point, and you'll find it conveniently located at the top left corner of your Outlook window. With one click, you'll open up a drop-down menu that offers a variety of options necessary for configuring your application settings. Now, the next move is to shift your attention to Settings. You should see this option as part of your Outlook interface, often marked by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings takes you into a more detailed view where you have control over various aspects of your Outlook experience. It's like stepping into the cockpit and preparing to fine-tune your email aircraft for the optimal flight. When you're in the settings area, the hunt is on for notifications. This is the section that empowers you to customize how and when you receive alerts about incoming emails. It's essential for those wanting to keep distractions at bay, yet stay informed about important messages when they arrive. Within the notifications section, you have a variety of settings tailored for different needs, from simple banner alerts to more prominent pop-ups. Let me offer a useful tip while you're here. Experiment with the different notification sounds available. They can be adjusted to your preference, maybe a soft chime for casual emails and something a bit louder for priority alerts. Customizing these sounds can make a world of difference in managing your focus throughout the day. Now that you've navigated through these steps, you've successfully set up your email notifications in Outlook. Remember, this doesn't just enhance productivity, it also helps ensure important emails don't slip through the cracks unnoticed. Take a moment to test the settings by sending yourself a sample email, just to verify everything is running smoothly. In conclusion, setting up email notifications is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your communication management. With Outlook configured to your preferences, you can arm yourself with the tools needed to achieve greater efficiency and peace of mind. Remember, you're in control of when and how these alerts reach you, so feel free to revisit these settings as your needs evolve. I hope you found this tutorial useful and clear. If you enjoyed this guide, consider sharing it with colleagues or friends who might benefit as well. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our instructional videos designed to make your tech life easier.